What's up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. So for today's trade, we secured a little bit more than a winning day. I'm pretty close to that 25K payout. I just need one more winning day to secure another 25K payout. So that'll put me at 50K withdrawn from these accounts in a little over 30 days. Going over to my Discord, here's proof of the execution and everything. 5 accounts, $478 across 5 accounts. So that's a little over 2K on the day. Here's the trade that I took. And I called out everything in this analysis tab right here. So as you can see today, I was bullish and here were my targets. And I was also looking for all-time highs to get taken out. If you're not in the Discord already, go ahead and join up. I do live streams Mondays and Fridays for free, and then Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, I'm in this chat right here, just dropping my analysis, what I'm looking for. But anyway, so we had a SMT right here with ES, so I was bullish for today. Let me go open up ES and show you on the hourly right here. Right, so as you can see, NQ doesn't take out this low right here, but ES does, so there's a SMT. So I was looking for previous day high to get taken out and this high to get taken out, these two highs to get taken out, and then after that, all-time highs right here. So just playing out the candles, we were actually really bullish, like we just ripped up today. So these two targets got taken out without any entry. As you can see, we are just pushing higher and higher, right? But today, honestly, was a pretty simple day. I was just looking for any sort of retrace, which we actually ended up getting a little bit before. So we ended up chopping a little bit. ES takes out the same high first, so there's like a little SMT formed, but we're already pushing up so high to the point where, you know, NQ is probably going to take out all-time highs as well. Now we're just looking for some sort of entry, which is right here where we open up a 5-minute gap, boom, retrace into it, and then now we're looking for a displacement candle out, which is right here after this tap. Boom, we tap into the 5-minute, nice rejection out of it. Boom, entry right here. My stop is at the wick low right here, and then I am targeting all-time high. I think I targeted like a little bit over all-time high. I don't really know, like 25 points. I don't know. But I ended up coming out with $470 across all accounts. So one contract right there. One contract. Can I enter? There you go. One contract. Stop loss right here. So like risking 235 bucks. And then I guess my take profit was like here or something like that. I don't know. I don't even know what really happened. I think I put my TP a little bit lower, but I guess we just ended up taking it. Or maybe I just got slipped in the right direction. I really don't know. I think my take profit was a little bit lower, so I don't even know how I made a little bit more than I was supposed to, but hey, we'll take it. But yeah, this was basically a really quick and easy trade recap. I honestly didn't even think we were going to get a setup by the way that we were ripping the entire day, or the entire like first 15 minutes, 20 minutes of market open, 30 minutes of market open. But we ended up getting a setup, this a quick retrace into a 5-minute gap, displacement out, easy entry, break even at the high right here. Boom. But yeah, I mean, the past few days, just giving you guys a little bit of insight of the trades that I've been taking. I took a swing trade like 2 days ago, and I was up pretty fat on it. But I actually thought we were gonna make this run on Monday during Asia session. So like I took an entry like somewhere around here, and it was a pretty decent entry. Rejection off the hourly gap right here. My initial stop was like $1,400, but then I showed my stop to the hourly gap tap right here, if you can see. And basically, I really thought Tuesday was just going to run and take out all of this low resistance liquidity built up right here. And I was just targeting like 167 points, right? That's like a 10K P&L. I didn't want to get too greedy and target all-time highs, but I honestly thought that NQ would have just ran all of this on a Tuesday, and usually it does. But like everything was perfect about this trade too. Like we reacted off of a 4-hour gap, displays higher, waiting for that 1-hour tap right here. Boom, we tap into this hourly gap, and I go on a lower time frame, like the 1 minute, to get a displacement candle entry, and I enter over there, put an initial stop, $1,400. Then I trailed my stop once it moved in my direction. So it went from a $1,400 risk to a $675 risk, and then we went up a little bit higher, went break even after we took out these relative equal highs right here. Boom. But I don't know, man. Like that was kind of weird. Like everything about this was perfect, bro. All of this low resistance liquidity built up. Everything was perfect about it. I don't know if it's because of the summer or whatnot, but I don't know. We just ended up ranging after this. So I ended up getting break even. It is what it is. But yeah, I guess it played out today, which is unfortunate. But yeah, that's basically it for, I guess, the 2 trade recaps. But yeah, I'll see you guys next video.